Did you know that at the next FIFA World Cup, taking too long for a throw-in could actually make your team lose possession? And that's just the beginning. Football is changing, and these new rules could completely change how matches are played. Let's explain every major change clearly. First, the tournament itself is bigger than ever. Instead of 32 teams, the World Cup will now feature 48 nations. The teams will be divided into 12 groups of 4, with the top 2 teams from each group plus the 8 best third-place teams advancing to a brand new round of 32. That means 104 matches instead of 64, making it the biggest World Cup in history. Now for the rule changes. Rule number 1. Time wasting is under attack. If a player takes too long to perform a throw-in, the referee will begin a visible 5-second countdown. Fail to release the ball in time and possession goes to the other team. The same idea applies to goal kicks. Delay for too long and instead of another warning, the opponents are awarded a corner kick. Rule number 2. Substitution must be very fast. When a player is substituted, he has only 10 seconds to leave the field, using the nearest exit. If he deliberately wastes time, the replacement player must wait before entering, leaving his team temporarily short-handed. Rule number 3. No more tactical injury breaks. If an outfield player receives treatment on the pitch, he must leave the field and stay off for at least 1 minute after play restarts, except in specific situations such as goalkeeper injuries or serious incidents. This change is designed to stop teams from using fake injuries to slow the game down. Rule number 4. VAR gets more power. Video assistant referee can now intervene in additional substitutions, including some cases involving mistaken identity and incorrect disciplinary decisions. The goal is to reduce obvious officiating mistakes without constantly interrupting play. Rule number 5. New conduct rules are much stricter. Players who cover their mouths during confrontations in an attempt to hide abusive or discriminatory language now risk a straight red card. Yes, walking off the pitch in protest against referees can also bring severe punishment. Finally, FIFA has adjusted its disciplinary rules. Yellow card counts will reset after the group stage, helping players avoid suspensions deep into the tournament because of minor earlier offenses. So the next World Cup won't just be bigger, it will be faster, stricter, and far less forgiving when it comes to time wasting and poor discipline. The beautiful game is evolving. Are these changes good for football, or do they go too far? Let me know what you think in the comments.